Let's pop in Kohl's and see what they have in new for like summer type fashion. All right, they have a ton of cute little dresses. This I thought was nice, and because it has a pocket, and I love a good pocket, but it has cute little tassel details. The print is really nice. The length is good. A lot of these are gonna have like a tiered look to this, and then of course, with the sale, and a lot of the styles will come in different prints, different colors. This right here is kind of giving that patriotic look, the way they set it up. So you can grab some of these because we still have holidays coming up, like 4th of July, Labor Day. This one is just a really nice print, really nice cut. It has the little strings in the front that you can tie, the thin straps for this one right here, and the price is like that. And again, I say because Kohl's is always having a sale, so you'll get a discount on that $40. Then if you don't like it in the red, they have it in like this light blue and white stripe print right here. So yeah, you can grab that one. So they have it in a bunch of different ones. This one right here kind of gave me like a picnic vibe with the plaid, but still kind of like a retro to it at the same time. Then it has the opening in the back. $40 for that one right there. This one just a nice classic cut. This top and this dress, I love the dress. It has like a cute little print, and then you can see it has like a contrasting print around the ruffle, and it's kind of like that wrap style right there. And this one is $44, and then you can grab the top, just a basic top, and it has the wrap style too for $20. You can see those are 40% off. This dress right here, it has like that, what do you call it? Do you call it like burnt out look? I don't know, but it has the raised kind of print to it, and it's lined because that is like a light fabric there, a maxi, and again it has like the tiered details on it. Has the shearing in the back for that one right there, and then the thin straps. This one has a cute little detail in the front, like the little lace up, kind of like a corset. It has a slit on it. The floral print, great for the season. And again, the shearing on the back, that one right there, $48. This one, a real pretty color. Again, with the tiering, and then it has like just nice coverage in the front, and then kind of like those little ruffle details on the straps right there, just to give it just another cute little detail. $48, and again on sale. Bunch of tops, so $15, $20 in solid colors and print, so you can grab those. I think we saw most of these dresses before. I'm not sure if we saw this one, but just real pretty with the cutouts on the side, the floral print, the little ruffle around the top, the shearing in the back, just really pretty. That'd be just great for just a lot of different things this season, so you might want to grab that. An eyelet dress, I love a good eyelet dress, in all kind of different cuts. So this one right here is just a basic cut, but with the buttons in the front. Just nice and simple. $44 for that one right there, and it's sleeveless, and like the length is good too. So it's kind of like a midi length. They have it in that white. They have it, that's black. It looks kind of grayish, but that's like black. Then they have it in this blue right here too, so you can get that in a bunch of different colors. And this is just the sale chart for those right there. Then these two pretty dresses, it's kind of giving like a yellow look, but it wasn't really yellow. It was like a off-white for this one right here. It looks better now, but it was giving like a yellow look for a second. So $44 for that one right there. Kind of like a maxi length. It has the little sleeves on it, and again with the eyelet fabric. And then this one right here kind of gives like more of a girly, dainty look. So it has the ruffles on the sleeves. It has like the detail on the waist, the strings, and again like that, kind of like that eyelet look, but not the eyelet look for that one right there. $52 for that one. So yeah, just a ton of nice dresses for summer. This right here, the look is so cute. So it's got that print right there, and then this jacket. I love this jacket. It has like little ruffle details on the sleeve, on the collar. And if you don't like that one, they have other ones that would go, you can get the same look, but just, a little different. This dress right here, and it's in that same kind of green that the other one was in. And these are on sale too, so 25% off for these right here. This one really pretty, loved it. It was like a lightweight, it kind of gave me like a retro vibe for this one right here. Just really pretty, you have to see it. So that one too is going to be part of the sale. This right here, so that's the one that was up front, I believe. And this one has like kind of like a pleating in it, which I didn't notice before. So it has like a little pleating in it, that one right there. And again, all of these are going to be on sale. So it'll be the 25% off of that $68. Then this is the jacket, which I love, which you can wear this with so many different things, and it's just nice and simple. And if you don't want to pair it with a dress, they do have a matching pair of jeans that you can grab to complete the look, and then you can have like that type of look, and it has the button fly front for those, just a little classic cut in the back of those right there. And again, those will be part of the sale. If you want to make it a two-piece, they have the print in a skirt, and it's just cute with the little tearing like on that too. Just a ton of cute things. This dress, nice. This is like, could be a work dress, it could be an after work dress. It has the little pockets in it. It has that pretty green. And again, that will go nice with that jacket too. That jacket will go nice with so many things. These pieces, cute. That wrap dress, I love because it's like a wrap dress, like a shirt dress, like both of it. And then this right here, so they have that print in different styles. Love that print in this dress right here. So it has the little front opening, it has like a V neckline on it. Just something real pretty. The sleeves are lightweight. I just love this one right here. So, but if you do not like that print, but this is 20% off. But if you do not like that print, you can grab it in this print right here, which is another nice pretty print for this right here. And it has the same little opening in the front, the light sleeves, just something really pretty. This like cardigan, like vest type piece right here, and these knits were like nice, a nice weight, so it felt like a nice quality. But you can throw that on with a bunch of different things, and it's like a nice neutral color. This little cami top right here in the same type knit, it has the little lace up in the front. I'm thinking it'll have like kind of a crop fit to this one, maybe, I don't know. And then this skirt that you can pair with it is like a midi. You can see the fringe on the bottom, and then different knit patterns on that, so it goes from one to another and back to another. So I just thought all of those pieces were cute. This is kind of like the dress because it's from the same line. Kind of like the dress that was up front, but it's just a cute top. It has like an elastic in the back, and then a little detail in the front, so it's like a slip on. And then this is the dress that we did see up front, and you could just see it even hangs nice. So I just think that is just a really pretty dress. The color, just everything on that. More of that print that you can get. I just love that print so much. I really do. And then these are the pants that we did see up front, and again, just the quality of it felt really nice. And these would be like really nice vacation pants. You can pair this with just a plain cami. I think that would look nice. This blazer right here, just a really nice white blazer that you want to might want to grab. It's like kind of like an off-white. This right here, I'm not sure if it's a dress or a cardigan, because like the way it was tied there, it was like open. But I'm thinking it's like a wrap dress, and it kind of has like that pleating like look to it. They had a few other pieces in that. So yeah, I thought that the color was pretty. And then these right here, just some nice everyday classic like dresses that you might want to grab. And they have again like that tearing look, one with sleeves, one without sleeves, the little ties on the waist. They kind of give me like an Old Navy vibe too. And but I love Old Navy pieces because you can wear them a lot. This dress right here, another one with the little eyelet details, I just think is really pretty. And it's a good length. And if you can see, it's like kind of like what are those, like dragonflies and like flowers, it looks like. Then they have it in this print right here. They have it in other prints too, but yeah, you can grab that in solid, you can grab that in print, just real pretty, $60. And again, it's going to be on sale. This one right here, just the color is really pretty, again with that print, like that plaid like gingham print that you can get. It has just a cute look. It's nice, it's lightweight, it has a little front pocket, the little button, the tie waist. Thought that one was really cute. Just they have, like I said, a ton of cute dresses, and it has pockets. So yeah, you might want to grab that. 50, and again on sale. This one right here, so this is like the other one. It looks like the other one that was up front, so I'm thinking it's like the other one that was up front, but just in that like black and white print. $60 for that one right there. And then like you can see the flare on the bottom of that. I love that. These pieces, so cute. So if you want like some separates and stuff, $40 for this top right here. It has a little tie at the top, has the cute print, has the like girly sleeves on it. But these pieces together will just make some cute outfits. So you can grab this top right here, and it has like the cute little red in it, $40. Another nice print, but you can see like The details are more outlined with the contrast, and then this is what the sale prices would be. These shorts, they felt again like a good quality, not too heavy, but like a nice thickness to them. $44 before the sale with those, and you can see the top detail. And then this shirt, so either one of those shirts with the red in it, I think would go so nice with those shorts. They would go nice with a pair of blue shorts too. But yeah, you might want to grab one of those. And like I said, again, it's going to be on sale. So $48 is the original price, and then it'll be on sale. Some more pieces that you can mix and match. So this skirt right here, I don't know if it's picking it up, but it has like a little stripe to it, like a little pin stripe, like a maxi length, and then it has like the tiering in it. $50 for that one right there. This shirt, it's not hanging super nice, but it's pretty. It has little details on the sleeves, again with the little pinstripe on it, the like elastic like around the neckline. So yeah, right now Kohl's has a lot of good pieces for the season. This dress right here, so it kind of gives me again that retro vibe with the top there, and then it has like the shearing in the back. It's a nice simple black piece, and I think they had this in other colors. $68 before the sale. And then these, you can't really see the details in it, but just some really pretty dresses, but you'll see it better on the mannequin up front. So you can see it just has really nice details, and that's the black dress that was there. So yeah, Kohl's has a ton of things. And then this is the dress that was on the mannequin up front. And like I said, I think it's the same dress as the black and white one, but this one is in that blueprint. So and then this is the other dress that was on the mannequin up front, $44, and just a nice simple dress. And again, that's the price before the sale. And then they have these cute perfume sets that I think would be great for travel because they're not, too big. So you might want to take a quick trip down to Kohl's and see what yours has in right now for the season to grab.